Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating softer illumination. Move your key light closer and add diffusion immediately. Use a soft box, translucent scrim, or even a white sheet to scatter rays. Once done, add a fill lamp on the opposite side at lower power to lift shadow detail without flattening the subject. Make sure to meter or eyeball the balance so the fill sits several stops below the key. This combination reduces edge hardness and preserves form while keeping natural contrast. Next, adjust geometry to tame remaining dark areas. Rotate the key light to about 30 to 60 degrees relative to the camera so shadows fall softer and wrap more. You then introduce reflectors, white for subtle fill, silver for brighter bounce, positioned opposite the key to lift contrast where needed. Once set, feather the light by angling it so only the edge illuminates the subject, and add flags to block unwanted spill. This sculpts the light cleanly while keeping depth. Finish by checking exposure and shadow detail. If shadows still look harsh, increase the fill by one stop or move reflectors closer to the subject. Once done, add a half stop more diffusion to the key for softened edges without losing shape. Make sure to correct any color cast from mixed light with white balance adjustments or gels. If you see persistent harsh edges, try repositioning lights a little higher and farther for more gradual falloff. This often solves the last stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.